Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot access App Store on iPhone 15 Plus. And to do this, we'll need to open our App Store, and as you can see, we have cannot connect error, and if we retry, it doesn't work. Now to fix this, we need to open our settings, then find the general. It should look like this with that gear icon. Go for date and time and enable set time automatically. You can wait a few moments till it synchronizes and then go back to your App Store and retry. As you can see now, now it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.